so I'm super excited. I love doing embroidery. Most of the projects I do are linen napkins or a denim jacket. So denim's kind of hard to work with, so I love these magnetic hoops. So I have the 5x7. I have a Brother Innovis NQ1700. So this one just slides right in. It comes with 6 magnets and they're super strong. I love them because they're flat, which is so nice. It holds the project so much better. Okay, so it's so easy to go ahead and hoop your fabric. I'm using the denim like I mentioned before, and like with the flat magnets, so much easier to use. So I have the Brother Innovis NQ1700, so it slides right in, super easy to use. Get it in, you can see where they are, slip it in. Let me just get it started up to finish our last little bits. All right, so it's all done. Look how cute it turned out. Like I said before, I love using these wider magnets because it's so much easier to like line up your project. And when you're working with thicker fabrics, the magnets are so much easier to use. Definitely check it out. This is again the 5x7. They have it for so many of the models and then different sizes too for the hoops for your different projects.